What up, guys? I'm back with another Bronx video, and right now we are about to enter Pelham Bay Park. And if you want, you can take the 12 bus here, you can take the 6 train, which leaves you off on the last stop, Pelham Bay Park, and you just walk across this little bridge and you'll find the park right here. Now, most people consider Central Park as the most famous outdoor park in New York City and probably all of America, and they think it's the largest park in the city, but I have news for you, it's not. Pelham Bay Park is actually the largest park in the city, and it's 3 times the size of Central Park, and it covers 2,765 acres. So it's a big park, and there's a lot you can do around here. As you can see here, you can have picnics and parties and just relax or whatever the case may be. But this park, you know, it also have golf courses, hiking trails, a 13-mile shoreline, and of course, as I've mentioned, Orchard Beach. What else? Horseback riding, which I'll show you a little bit. There's Bartow-Pell Mansion. It's a lot that you can do here. And during the Revolutionary War, the park area served as a buffer zone between a New York City dominated by the British and a Westchester County under the command of the Continental Army. So it's pretty historic in itself. I want to show you the park area.
Is that it right there?
And over here, we're approaching a big field. To the left of the field are tennis courts. As you can see, you got people playing tennis. And this is a big track, so people can work out, jog, maybe play some soccer right here. Take a walk around the track if you want. And this American Boy limestone sculpture is pretty historic in itself. So this is the field for baseball. And what I'll do is go across because I want to show you the kids park. And next to the children's park is a basketball court where people are playing. So this is the kids park. When I tell you I really want to jump in here, it looks quite refreshing, to say the least. Monkey bars. This is like an exercise area for kids. And this is the park itself. Lots of bridges and slides, mazes to go through. Pretty cool. And this is a sensory garden. Touch, smell, see, and hear. This accessible garden features plants and elements that stimulate the senses. Oh, wow. playing dominoes. Alright, so now we're gonna head on over to Orchard Beach, which is the only beach in the Bronx. Now this was once known as the Riviera of New York, back when it was created in the 1930s. And it's a 115 acre, 1.1 mile long beach with sand and snack bars, 2 picnic areas, souvenir carts, playgrounds, basketball courts, volleyball, handball, changing areas, and showers. And that's what makes this beach, or what made it, the Riviera of those times. During the beach seasons, lifeguards are on duty, and they're normally on duty from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And swimming is actually prohibited when there are no lifeguards. So as you walk down the side of the road, you have to be careful because there's cars coming. I wouldn't recommend, maybe you should come in an Uber or a car. But we're here at the Bartow-Pell Mansion Museum and Gardens. This is the entrance. It looks pretty historic and antique. But yeah, so you would go through and we would just walk all the way down the yellow brick road, as I like to call it. So right now we're in front of the Bartow-Pell Mansion, which is a historic house museum located in the northern portion of Pelham Bay Park. And it's a National Historic Landmark. And it has one of the nation's finest Greek Revival interiors, which, you know, we can't see because we're not inside. And it's the last surviving major mid-19th century country estate house in the Pelham Bay area. All right. So basically, it's a tour that costs $10, and you get to see the parlor, the upstairs sitting room, the dining room. So if you guys want to do that, you can do that for $10. Now, just up from the Bartow-Pell Mansion is this historic place as well, the Bronx Equestrian Center, where you can get trail rides, lessons, pony rides from horses and ponies, obviously. So yeah, let me show you a little bit. And this has been here for years. I don't know exactly how many years, but it has been around. And it used to, the horses actually used to go from here all the way through down to Pelham Parkway, down the whole strip of Pelham Parkway. Pretty cool. There goes one of the horses. So you can bring your children to learn, like if they want to do their first time horseback riding, pony riding, this is the place. So there's a lot to do in Pelham Bay Park, and in the vicinity of Pelham Bay Park. It's such a huge park. You won't be bored, that's for sure.